what it does? It is a pointing device which selects an object. See, this is the picture of the mouse. Can you see? Yes. What is this? This is the mouse. It is USB mouse. You can connect it to your computer. Next, what is keyboard? Keyboard is used to type the text or numbers. See, under parts of the computer, it is an input device used to type text. Got it, children? Keyboard is an input device used to type text and numbers. We learned what is mouse and keyboard and why we use. Yes? Got it, children? Yes. Next, we have CPU. What is CPU? CPU is the brain of the computer. What do you mean by brain of the computer? Like, if I ask you to do any calculations or what you will do? You will listen with your ears two numbers. Means if I ask you add two numbers, what you will do? You will listen to me. What are the two numbers that needs to be added? For example, if I take 2 plus 3, your brain adds, right? In your brain you calculate and you answer me with the help of your mouth. Yes, but computer is also used to calculate. Yes, computer is also used to calculate. How? When we can type the numbers by using keyboards. 2 plus 3 we can type. Where it will calculate in the computer? It will be calculated in a CPU. Like we use our brain to calculate anything and to think and answer if someone says you something. Like in same way, if any work is given to the computer, our CPU is the brain of the computers which thinks and controls all the activities of the computer. Hence we call it as brain of the computers. This is the CPU we have here, which is called as brain of the computer. Got it, children? What it is? CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Understood, children? Yes. If we can play music in computer, right? How? We open a file by using a mouse and we'll double click on the file. And on MP3 player it will be played and you can listen to that song in the speaker. How it is possible? Our CPU does this task. When we select any file by using the mouse to play the song, our CPU process that and it plays song for us so that we can listen to that song in the speaker. That's why we call it as CPU is the brain of the computer. Next we have speakers and printers. Next, other parts of the computer are speaker and printers. What we can do with the help of the speakers, as I just now explained, we can listen to music. Any audios we can listen with the help of a speakers. They are output device because with the help of the speakers, we can able to listen to the music. Yes, this which is the speaker in this picture, children. Here, these are the speakers. You have speakers in your home. Yes. Next, we have printer. Have you seen printer, children? How it works? You may take the printouts of any pictures by using printer. Whatever you type in the computer can be taken print out by using the printers. This is a example. This is the picture of printer. See here, you can place the papers through which you get the output, that is text or images on the paper. This is nothing but our printers. These are the parts of the computers and we learned how each part is essential in computer and what is the work, or what is the use of each part of the computer, right? What does the monitor does? It is a display unit which is used to display the text in images on its monitor. See, this is the monitor that is used to display the text or images, and keyboard through which we can type the letters and numbers. What we can do? We can type letters and numbers by using our keyboard. And this is a mouse, which is a pointing device through which we can select any objects in the computers. CPU, what it is? It is the main unit and major unit of the computer, which is also called as brain of the computer. It is central processing unit. And we have speakers through which we can able to listen to music, and we have printers through which we are able to take the printouts. Whatever is available on the computer can be taken print on the paper. Understood, children? This is about a module 4 and module 5. Got it, children? See, now open your textbook and open page number 7, where you have module 4. What we have here? We have a monitor, we have a keyboard, and we have a mouse. Monitor is a display unit which will be used to display the letters or images, and keyboard is used to type the letters. See here, letters are whatever we written on the keyboard will be displayed on the monitor, and mouse is a pointing device which is used to select any objects. And next we can open our page number 5. What we have? We have, see, CPU is related to human brain because it works and thinks like a human beings. Hence, it is called as brain of the computers. Expansion of CPU is central processing unit. And what we have? Other two devices, speakers and printers. Whatever the music is played with the help of CPU only, because CPU only process the file, and that will be listened on the speakers. We can listen to music with the help of the speakers. Who process this? Our CPU process this. Next, we have printer. What our printer does? With the help of the printer, we can take the printouts on the paper.